Oh sir, you're here. Please, have a seat. Whoa! Director, what on earth was... What is that? Mister.Play, if you don't mind. Alright guys, you ready? Just as we practiced. 1, 2, 3. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Pile. Happy birthday to you. Ooh, yeah, happy birthday! Ooh, happy birthday! Ooh. Soundman, it's enough! Please shut it off! Soundman, please! Okay, we get it. Thank you. Actually, thank you to you all three. This is very heartwarming. I did not expected anything of this after coming home from a hard work day. Oh, no worries, Mister.Play. Now, open your gift. Wait, that one is for me? It is. Go ahead and open it. Alright, sure. Alright, I'm so excited to see what it is. Oh my goodness! Are you okay, Mister.Play? I'm fine. I'm just very shocked. Guys, do you even know what this is? I've been checking this one out for so long time. This is an Acer Predator Helios 500. This is not a beast. This is a kaiju of a monster of a gaming laptop. Guys, how? Never mind. We have to do an unboxing of this. Already ahead of you. Cameraman? What? Oh, hey guys. Mister.Play here on the Play Show. Who would think? It's my birthday today. I turned 26. Let's see what this one contains. So let's get rid of this one. But to be able to get inside, we have to turn this one. So I will open the whole box like that. So come closer. All right, let's open this one. Let's take this one. Okay, so let's take out this one. So in this little box here, we do have some kind of an X-clamp thing. Let's see what we have here. Oh, like that. All right, we have one cable. And here we have the big power adapter. Yeah, it's pretty heavy. It looks about being the same size as my current laptop's power adapter. And now, to the big thing. Look at this, Predator. I haven't really had another gaming PC, so this is my second gaming PC, or laptop. Here it is. Oh, it's really pretty heavy. So I guess this is a thank you message from Acer themselves, or it's a startup guide. And a lot of stickers. I like that. And here we have the startup guide. I'll have to take a look at this one when I'm not recording. And let's see how the boy actually looks like. Wow, there he is. He is pretty big. I don't know if he is the same size as my current computer. It looks way thinner though. Why are there two power inputs? Should there be another one? And that's cool how it looks like inside. So it turns out I actually missed a part of this there was a bottom part. I have no idea what this is. Looks like some kind of a lamp, RGB lamp probably. And what do we have here? What on earth? Another one? Are you freaking kidding with me? There's a second power supply? There are 2 power supplies. That's why this one is in there. Because you put them in there. Oh yeah, now I remember. You have to use 2 ones if you're going to activate the turbo function. That's how it is. So you just do like that, and you put this one in there. Hopefully these cords are long enough to reach up to my desk. So what is this then? Oh yes, you could replace the WASD buttons. What is this one then? Ah, yeah. Oh, that must be the key then that you grip beneath the keyboards and lift it up. Or not the keyboard, the key buttons or whatever. So there you go guys, this is my new laptop, an Acer Predator Helios 500. Big thank you to my crew who gave it to me during my birthday today. So I'm gonna have a lot of fun testing this one out. I didn't went too deep into the details about this computer. I will do a separate video where I do a review of it. And as I said back in my Asus G-series video, I'm not a technical guy when it comes to computers, so I won't do any benchmark or overclocking or stuff like that, just the very basic things. So keep your eyes open for that. But thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.